Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your address in your Meesho app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is click open your Meesho app from your home screen. So once you open your Meesho app, you will be redirected to its home page. So here you need to select a subsection in which you want to shop, and you will be redirected to a page full of your preferences. So once you choose an item, you need to simply click on the add to the cart option. So once you press on add to the cart, you will be given various options of your sizes and other preferences. So you need to select it and press on the continue button. So once you do so, you will be then redirected to your address page. So here you can have one set address. However, you can just select on the next address to change your address, or you can simply press on the add new address option. So by pressing on it, you can simply change your address on your Meesho app without any hassle. So this is how you change your address on Meesho. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.